Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, what we have here, we're going to demonstrate on that generation Dodge Ram right here. Now, we need to go ahead, guys. First, we need to check some fuses for power windows. Go ahead, open the hood, and here on the driver's side, if we zoom in, this is your car battery. In front of it, you have that fuse box here. Press these two tabs, the lid will, you will be able to open the lid, and underneath you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So multiple things can cause your power window not to work. We're going to talk about that, but first we need to, guys, check, by the way, 4 different fuses. Please make sure to stay until the end. We want to give you one good advice so you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. The first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 20. Then you need to check fuse number 24 right here, and fuse number 66 will need to be checked right there. This is another very important fuse. This is a circuit breaker fuse that controls all your power windows as well. Now, other things that can cause power window not to work could be bad window switch, it could be bad window motor. If you hear a noise but the window doesn't move, it's very likely that you have a bad window regulator. Now, another thing, if you guys recently did something like door panel removal to replace a switch, speaker, window, or anything like that, make sure you plug the wires correctly and make sure the windows didn't get in the way of the wires didn't get in the way of the window, because sometimes when the window goes down, the wires are not attached where they're supposed to. It can cut them or it can unplug them. We see that quite often as well, guys, that you will need to check. So, guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.